Good.
Welcome to the SST standard 4 SST. That is chapter 2, the Great Himalayas. The Great Himalayas. Do you know what is Himalayas? Look at the map. Look at the all of you. Look at the map. The Great Himalayas is in the north of our country, the extreme north of our country, and this Himalayas is high and long chain of mountains in the north and northern eastern part of our country, and it is called as the Great Himalayas. So look at this high and long chain of mountains in the north and northern part of India is called Great Himalayas. Second point, these mountain ranges are arc shaped. That is arc shaped. These mountain ranges, these are the mountain ranges, these are the arc shaped. All are in the arc shape. So these mountain ranges are arc shaped. Second point. The Great Himalayas are in which side? The north and northeastern part of Asia, that northeastern part of India, that is called Great Himalayas. And these mountain ranges are arc shaped. And these Great Himalayas are vertically three types. Vertically and horizontally three types. First is the Himadri, the upper Himalayas, that is called upper Himalayas. And second is the Himachal, that is middle Himalayas. And third part, the last part is the Shivalik, the lower Himalaya. So I have already written the three types of Himalaya. One is Himadri, the upper Himalayas. Then second is the Himachal, the middle Himalayas, and the Shivalik, the lower Himalayas. Then first of all, we have come to Himadri. First part, Himadri. Himadri, that is three types. One is always covered with snow. Himadri. So it is called Himadri. Always covered with snow. And it has the first point. Then this Himadri has peaks like mountain peaks like Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Nanda Devi. Peaks like Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, and Nanda Devi. Then rivers are Indus, Ganga, Jamuna, Satluj, Brahmaputra. These rivers are in the Himadri. These rivers are the Himadri. So Himadri first is covered with snow. Then peaks, Mountain Everest, Kanchenjunga, and Nanda Devi. Then rivers are Indus, Ganga, Yamuna, and Satluj. Then another is the glacier. What is glacier? Now slow moving river of ice. Called glacier. Okay. So there are four parts. One is it is covered with snow. Second is it has peaks like Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Nanda Devi. Then rivers like Indus, Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj, Himalayas, and glacier. What is glacier? Who can say what is glacier? Glacier is the slow moving river of ice. Called glacier. Then fifth point is the Himachal. First is the Himalayas, Himachal, Himadri, Himachal, and Shivalik. Himadri finished, and Himachal. Himachal is in the southern part of Himalayas. It is in the southern part of Himalayas. Then second, hill station. There are some hill station in the Himachal. That is the Simla, Nainital, Mussoorie. These are the greatest hill station of Himalaya. The tourists come to the hill station in the summer season. Okay. Then holy places. What are the holy places is in the Himachal? Kedarnath, Badrinath. Look at Badrinath, Kedarnath and Amarnath. Then valuable forests are there. These forests are willow, pine, oak. These are the Himachal. Then Shivalik, come to the Shivalik last. Shivalik is the lower Himalayas. This is the Himadri is the upper Himalayas, Himachal is the middle Himalayas, Shivalik is the lower Himalayas. So, in the lower Himalayas, that is Shivalik, broad valley called Dehradun. It has broad valley like Dehradun, and it has attractive tourist places, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Uttarakhand, northeastern states. These are the point of the Shivalik. Okay, Shivalik finished, then Himachal, then Himadri. So three parts. The three parts of Himalayas is the Himadri, the upper Himalayas, Himachal, middle Himalayas, Shivalik, lower Himalayas. So now come to the seventh point. What are the importance of Himalayas? The last part of the Himalayas is the what are the importance of Himalayas? First importance, guard our northern border. First importance is the guard our northern border. Then second, protection of cold wind blowing from the north. Protection of cold blowing from the north. And checking mountain from south. Checking monsoon from south. It causes that monsoon causes heavy rainfall. Okay, due to Himalayas, it causes heavy rainfall. It checks the monsoon, and all the rivers are perennial. And last point is the vital point is the valuable forests, wildlife sanctuaries are in the Himalayas. So it is the importance of Himalayas. Guard our northern border, protect the cold wind from the north, checking monsoon which causes rainfall, and all rivers are perennial, always water. There is no question of drying of water. The perennial is always water, and valuable forest and wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, it is all about chapter 2, Great Himalayas. So remember this and write down in your copy and send in the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you all of you. It is all about Greater Himalayas. Next class, chapter 3. We'll come to the next class, chapter 3 tomorrow. Okay, thank you all of you.